Think your audio sounds amazing? Think again. You might be wrecking your DAC. Powering from USB? Stop. If you can use main power, do it. Clean power is cleaner sound. Don't ignore filters. Try different digital modes or crossfeed. It can totally change the vibe. Only using USB? Explore optical, HDMI or balanced out. Better connections can mean better sound. Every port has limits. Some only handle standard audio. Check the max file support per connection. Dumping your DAC wherever? Bad idea. Avoid heat and vibration. They trash your clarity. Your DAC might be a preamp too, but test both ways to see what actually sounds better. Mismatched gear is lousy sound. Make sure your DAC and headphones actually pair well in power and tone. Want pro level sound from your DAC? Avoid these 7 mistakes and blow your mind. Hit like and subscribe for more audio hacks.